Hello children, we are going to study about the chapter metal and non-metals of chemistry of class 10. First we know about the basic and primary informations about metals. I mean, what are metals? क्या है metals? First, metals are electropositive elements. What do you mean by the electropositive elements? The elements whose atoms lose their valence electrons to form positive ions are called electropositive elements. So, metals are electropositive elements. Their atoms always lose their valence electrons to form positive ions. Like sodium is a metal. It will lose its valence electrons to form sodium ions. It is positive ions of sodium. Magnesium is a metal which loses its two valence electrons and forms magnesium ions. So, first basic information about metal is they are electropositive element. They always form positive ions by losing their valence electrons. Second primary thing about metals, what are the physical states of metals? Metals are generally found in solid state in nature, but exceptionally one metal, mercury, which is found in liquid state in nature. Generally, metals are found in solid state in nature, but exceptionally, mercury is a metal which is found in liquid state in nature. Third basic information about metals, where metals are placed in periodic table. I mean, positions of metals in periodic table. Metals are placed in the left side of the periodic table. All the elements in the left side of the periodic table are metals. And fourth basic information about metals, number. More than 80% of the non-elements in nature are metals. So, there are four basic informations about metals. First, they are electropositive elements. Their atoms always lose valence electrons to form positive ions. They are found in solid state in nature, but exceptionally, mercury is a metal which is found in liquid state in nature. They are placed in the left side of the periodic table, and more than 80% of the non-elements are metals. Okay. Physical properties of metals. malleability, the internal property of a metal by which it can be beaten into sheets is called malleability. मेटल का वह इंटरनल प्रॉपर्टी जिसमें उसको पीट करके, हैमरिंग करके हम उसको शीट्स में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, malleability कहलाता है. ओके. Gold is the most malleable metal in this nature, followed by silver. First thing, malleability is the internal property of a metal by which it can be drawn into sheets on hammering. Gold is the most malleable metal in this nature, followed by silver. Okay. Ductility, drawn into thin wires, the internal property of a metal by which it can be stretched into thin wires on applying a force is called ductility. Ductility मेटल का एक ऐसा इंटरनल प्रॉपर्टी है जिसमें हम फोर्स लगा के उसको थीन वायर में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके. Gold is the most ductile metal, followed by silver. 1 gram of gold can give 2 kilometer of thin wire. 1 ग्राम गोल्ड को अगर हम स्ट्रेच करें तो वह 2 किलोमीटर के थीन वायर में कन्वर्ट हो सकता है. ओके. Thermal and electrical conductivity. Therm is concerned with heat. Thermal and electrical conductivity means conductive of heat and electricity. Generally, metals are good conductors of heat and electricity because they possess free electrons in them. मेटल को फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होता है, इसलिए वह हीट और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को अच्छे से कंडक्ट करता है. बट एक्सेप्शनली लीड इज ए मेटल विच इज अ वेरी पुअर कंडक्टिव ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड हीट. लीड एक ऐसा मेटल है एक्सेप्शनली जो हीट और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का बहुत ही पुअर कंडक्टिव है, लेकिन उसके अलावा जितना भी मेटल है वह कंडक्ट करता है हीट और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को. रीजन है दे पजेस फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन देम. व्हिच मेटल इज मोस्ट कंडक्टिव ऑफ हीट एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी? इट इज सिल्वर. सिल्वर इज द मोस्ट कंडक्टिव ऑफ हीट एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, फॉलोड बाय कॉपर, देन एल्युमिनियम. सीक्वेंस में इसको याद रखना है. मोस्ट कंडक्टिव ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सिल्वर, उसके बाद पोजीशन है कॉपर का, उसके बाद पोजीशन है एल्युमिनियम का, उसके बाद अदर एलिमेंट अदर मेटल्स आता है. ठीक. Metals are hard in structure, but degree of hardness varies metal to metal. मेटल स्ट्रक्चर में हार्ड होता है, लेकिन डिग्री ऑफ हार्डनेस जो है वो मेटल टू मेटल वैरी करता है. सम मेटल्स आर वेरी हार्ड एंड सम मेटल्स आर सो सॉफ्ट दैट इट कैन बी कट बाय नाइफ. कुछ मेटल बहुत हार्ड होता है, जैसे आयरन, जैसे कॉपर, दे आर हार्ड मेटल. बट सम मेटल्स आर सो सॉफ्ट दैट इट कैन बी कट बाय नाइफ, like potassium, like sodium, like calcium. They are such metals which are so soft that they can be cut by a knife. The intermolecular force between the two particles of a metal is very strong. So, more heat is needed to break this force, and therefore, the melting and boiling point of metals are very high. मेटल के दो पार्टिकल के बीच का इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स स्ट्रांग होता है. उसको ब्रेक करने के लिए मोर एंड मोर हीट नीडेड होता है, और इसलिए उसका मेल्टिंग एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट क्या होता है? जनरली हाई होता है. Almost all the metals have a shining and dazzling surface. जितना मेटल होता है उसको एक चमकता हुआ सरफेस होता है. एंड दिस property, physical property of metal is called metallic luster. Gold is yellow in color, silver is milky white. Almost all the metals have a dazzling and shining surface. This is called metallic luster. Chemical properties of metal. First we study about the behavior of metals with oxygen. Metals have great affinity for oxygen. बहुत प्यार होता है ऑक्सीजन से, प्रीति होता है. They readily react with oxygen and to form metallic oxides. Metallic oxides are electrovalent compounds and basic in nature. Three things. They readily react with oxygen to form metallic oxides. Metallic oxides are electrovalent or ionic compounds and they are basic in nature. Second thing, the oxides of highly reactive metals like sodium, like potassium, like calcium dissolve in water to form alkali. What are alkalis? Water soluble bases are alkalis. The oxides of highly reactive metals dissolve in water to form alkali. For example, when magnesium burns in air, it forms magnesium oxide. It is an electrovalent or ionic compound and basic in nature. Sodium reacts with oxygen to form sodium oxide. potassium reacts with oxygen to form potassium oxide. Aluminium reacts with oxygen to form aluminium oxide. And there are many reactions of metals with oxygen. I have said you that the oxides of highly reactive metals dissolve in water to form alkalis, like it is the oxide of highly reactive metal sodium. It will dissolve in water to form alkali, sodium hydroxide. It is the oxide of highly reactive metal potassium dissolve in water to form alkali, potassium hydroxide. मतलब फिर से समझिए, मेटल को ऑक्सीजन से ग्रेट एफिनिटी होता है. दे रेडिली रिएक्ट विथ ऑक्सीजन टू फॉर्म मेटलिक ऑक्साइड्स. What are the nature of metallic oxides? They are electrovalent or ionic compounds and they are basic in nature. Some of oxides of highly reactive metals dissolve in water to form alkali. हाँ, तो नेक्स्ट क्लास जो है ना वो फर्दर होगा और आपके लिए इंफॉर्मेशंस हैं कि अगर आप एडुजीवा के थ्रू केमिस्ट्री फिजिक्स का नोट्स अगर लेना चाहते हैं तो वो उसके वेबसाइट पर अवेलेबल है, जो कुमारामी बंटी सर से तैयार किया गया है, प्रिपेयर किया गया है. ओके, थैंक यू.